Ako lang.
Solo na naman?
Oo.
Needing your contact number, sir, your email address, and your signature. Our security deposit, sir, that is 2,000 per night. So we'll just use.
Okay, so ito yung toilet niya. It has the rainfall shower there. And that's a toilet, the sink, as usual, and the bathtub. Meron siyang bathtub. And this one is the glass window. And this is the full-length mirror where you can check yourself. And this is the king bed. It's actually comfortable. Yep, it's pretty nice because it's soft, but it's not that soft. It's firm, but it's not that firm. It's actually sa gitna ng malambot at matigas, and it's very comfortable. Feeling ko makatulog ako dito ng mga 10 hours. Aside from that, I have my couch and my Cinnabon. Cinnabon, yeah, my favorite. This is where I'll work with other stuff. And this is my other work, my corporate laptop. And yeah, there's also a mirror here and a TV. So that is the room. And actually, meron siyang amenities here. You can order coffee, like the usual hotel. There is a picture where you can actually get water outside for free. You don't have to request a front desk. You don't need to call someone. Just go outside. There's a water refilling area. May tawag dito, water dispenser sa labas, where you can get hot and cold water. And then yeah, we have refrigerator here, there, and that's pretty much it. It's a pretty nice room. It's comfortable, and I can highly recommend this one. So yeah, if you plan to stay here, book it via Klook, use my promo code, and you'll get 5% discount. Yeah.
Ano?
Kimchi, they have kimchi, mare. They have omelette yata. They have omelette yata.
Ano ko na?
I want sabaw. Bread. Sira ulo talaga itong si Louis Aklu. Ay, Louis Aklu.
Oo. Ang ingay ko. Maingay talaga. Akala ko ano.
Yeah, we're having breakfast here.